Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh wait, I think I got it. Oh, guys. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Cody. The guy behind the camera is Eli, and today we are going to service some bulk machines. We are here at Walmart, and we are going to go inside and see how she did. So let's go inside.
She is nearly empty on her Gumballs.
Yes, it is. It's looking pretty good so far. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be absolutely loaded. Just those gumballs alone, I'm really excited about this pool. Very excited. Let's get into this slot. Let's dump them in. Alright, very nice. Looking good. That's what we want to see.
Before we go back out to the car for Gumballs, let's go ahead and see what she made.
Let's see what she made. Yeah.
This is a 2-week collection, guys. 2 weeks.
Spin her around. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay. Alright. Take a look at the pile in there.
Not too shabby at all.
Not too shabby at all. Very nice. Let's get the pouch. Let's start loading her up. Fill this bag up. Okay, guys. Whoop. 75 cents. Trying to hide from me? Alright. Well, we're looking good. Get in there.
Man, for 2 weeks.
That's not bad, right? Not bad at all. I'm very happy with that. Very nice.
Let's lock her up.
Lock her up. Spin her around. And of course, we cannot forget about the gumballs.
Let's do that real quick.
Alright guys, just like that, on to the next. Alright guys, here we are at our next location, Old Navy. This is a really cool one. We got to go through a little locked door break room area. So let's go ahead and go inside and see how she did. Let's go ahead and unlock the top of the
That is low on
machine.
can M&Ms.
Yeah, that's a good sign. Very, very nice. Let's just go ahead and dump these in. All right, that looks a lot better. Where it should be. Where it should be. All right.
Let's see how much Jack is in the back.
Jack in the back.
First lock up the top.
Go.
Bada boom.
Spin her around. Kind of snug in there.
I'm pretty sure we took the cups out of this, guys. Let's hope.
I really hope so. I really do. All right, let's open her up. Ooh, this one's kind of sticky. All right. When quarters fall out at you, you know, it's a good thing. It's a very nice thing. Let's grab a pouch.
Those last ones in the back here.
All right. I think we are looking good. Let's take a
All
look.
said and done.
Not bad.
That's not bad at all for a month.
Not too bad. All right. Let's get our stuff. Go ahead. Did you lock her up?
Sure did.
Awesome. Spin around.
The patented tilt.
The patented tilt. Alright. Cool.
And they're not real big on Skittles here, guys, but we will
Yeah,
bring
not-
some next time for
Not
sure.
for real, not for real,
So.
but that's okay.
What do you think?
Strokes.
On to the
different
next?
folks. On to the next. Alright guys, next spot, JC Penney's. Let's go inside, check it out. Hello. Thanks. Hello. Alright guys, here we are, and take a look at those peanut M&Ms. Of course, nice and low, just how we want them to be. Let's start right off the bat. Fill.
That's all that really needs filled, too. Guys, these are actually the peanut M&Ms from Walmart.
Take a look. Yeah.
We prefer getting them at Sam's Club, but we did have some of the bags on hand as well. So.
The bags are a lot easier to work with.
But as you can see, it doesn't fill it as much.
Yeah, that is true.
So.
That is true. Alright.
This is a 1 month collection.
Oh yeah.
See how she did?
That's ready. All right, take a look at that. Nice, good stuff. All right. Fill up
Let's load her up.
our pouch. There. I think that's it.
Yep.
Looking good.
Bag. Not too bad at all.
Not bad, not bad at all. All right. Put that in our handy bag.
See some tilt action.
Lock up. Shoot
You know, we're all about that tilt action.
that tilt.
Oh.
Go. Looking good.
There we go.
That is sweet.
Next.
Okay. Let's go ahead and get to our next location. Guys, we're here at Hy-Vee, big grocery store. Let's go inside. Alright, nice. Alright. Got the gumballs in there. Peanut M&Ms are M&Ms are looking pretty low. That's good. What do you think?
It's looking pretty good, man.
Probably just go ahead and fill up the
Definitely
peanut
put some
M&Ms.
peanut M&Ms in there. Last time we were here, they were completely empty, but
It's okay.
it has only been 2 weeks since we've been here last, so.
I think it'll still be a
The
an
spot's,
A-okay pool.
the spot's usually pretty hot on peanut M&Ms.
Good. All
Nice and
right.
full.
Nothing to complain about here.
Probably use some more gumballs next time as well.
Definitely. I think it was.
It'll last another couple weeks though, for sure.
All right. Let's
Shut
close
that top.
this top.
Lock her up. And for everybody's favorite part, while you guys watch these videos.
Okay.
How much you guys think's in the back? Comment down below. Let us know.
Go.
Oh.
Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh wait, I think I got it. Oh, guys. Guys, take a look.
Whoa.
Looky.
Bro, I'm telling you, that's crazy. For 2 weeks though?
That's a fantastic tool. It's absolutely
wow. That's one of the
Great.
days so far for 2 weeks too.
We're gonna use our handy dandy bag just to use because we got it and it's
Shove all that in there.
absolutely full.
Get those last couple right there.
All right, I think that'll do it. And
Yeah,
we're
guys,
looking good.
If you're looking for a good spot for bulk machines, grocery stores.
Definitely,
guys.
definitely.
Every
Highly
grocery
recommended.
store, every grocery store location we have absolutely kills it. So
All right, and per tradition, spin it
of
around.
course you gotta get that till.
Gotta get that rattle too. Of course, we
that.
lose some candy.
Just one little stray.
Not bad, not too bad. We are good.
What do you
to go.
think? Keep going?
Let's keep going. Why not?
All right.
Hey guys, last stop of the day. Let's go inside. I got something to show you.
Check it out, guys.
Guys, just like we said in the last video, we got all brand new machines in 2 locations.
Wittern Futura combo machines.
Perfect machines. I absolutely love these machines, and it looks like it's doing very, very well. Fill it up.
We got some Oreos and Chips Ahoy to put in a couple of these slots.
Oh yeah.
We were just here yesterday though, filling up some new snacks.
Now are these going down here?
Yes.
There we go.
35 and 36.
Okay. Let's do it.
All right, you want to go ahead and see if we made any cash for the day?
Let's pull this guy out
I mean, why not?
and see if she did anything. Alright.
That's literally overnight. Not
Hey,
too bad. Plus
bad.
$6 in credit card sales, and this is filling up nicely. So
We're looking good.
we are looking great, guys. Stay tuned for another collection from this, a big collection. We're gonna let it sit for at least 2 or 3 weeks.
Let's lock her up. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Be sure to enter our candy machine giveaway sponsored by candymachines.com. That's going to do it. Have a good one. Goodbye.